Now this is a problem I got to take one of the courses through MIT in regard to Python. It looks like a fairly simple, straightforward question. It's validate if something's a string. Now obviously these are both integers, but you run into this problem. When you word it as such, variable A or variable B, see if it's a string. Well, neither one is a string, but yet it's a string involved. Alright, now I'll use type variable A or variable B. Both obviously make them together is equivalent to a string. Still says string involved, even though they're both integers. Now that really messes up your program. But here is how you do it. You have to validate each one. Is type variable A a string or type variable B a string? What do we get? Obviously they're both integers. We finally get variable A is larger than variable B. Well, I hope this helps. I'll post the program on YouTube and catch you guys in a bit. Bye.